I have absolutely loved my first 8 weeks of painting. First of all, I went to a studio party at Silka's to paint the tui, and it was really nerve-wracking getting those first few strokes of paint on the canvas, but Silka was just so encouraging and infectiously enthusiastic that I gave it a go, and at the end I was so proud of what I achieved. I have not painted since secondary school, junior secondary school in core art, so this was an amazing achievement for me. So then I came home, I looked online at all her content, and I found her Thursday night tutorials. I did the Little Houses on the Hills, I did the Cherry Blossom, and then I had a go at the bigger one, Island Bay, and had some fun with that. After that, I went to some new paint parties. They are Castle Point, and after that the Kapiti Sunset. And I've just found that, walking around Island Bay where I live, I just start to see things differently. I've seen, how does light affect the trees when it lands on, the light and shade? How about reflections on water? What do they look like? The sunset, what happens when the sun hits at night, lights up the sky? Everything like that now just really fascinates me, and I see that and I think, how could I paint that? Could I paint that? So I also tried my own cockatiel looking out the window and thought I had a go at that, and it turned out okay. Everything that I've learnt about painting has just been so wonderful and gives me so much joy and delight. I can't wait for what I'm going to learn next. So thank you, Silka, for everything you're teaching us and how you're awakening that creativity in us.